Hello and welcome back to another video. The topic of this video is creative writing. I'll be sharing some tips and tricks about creative writing in this video. Before you start, you will have to start with a person in mind. You will be writing for this person. He will be your target audience. Make sure that you do not waste your reader's time. You can do this by eliminating all the unnecessary words and cut to the chase. While writing a book, you'll have to devise the character wisely. This can also be your topic. If you write an article, then try and make it productive for your readers and as if they feel that their time wasn't wasted. In a book, your characters might want to need something, even if it's a glass of water. All your characters must try to reveal the character or tell more about the personality of the character. If they do not do that, then they must advance the action or make progress, especially by moving your story in a forward direction. Make bad things happen to your sweet or innocent character so that the reader can see the strength of the character. Provide your readers with all the necessary information and as soon as possible. Finally, make your readers think differently and add a twist to your story. On that note, I'd like to thank you for watching this short video. Take care and have a nice day.